I'm back. Happy face.
Do you leave?
I don't think so. I don't think so. I just come out here after it rains so we can look at areas that need to be improved.
What do you think, dog?
Wet, muddy.
Yeah. It kind of runs off into there and then eventually makes it.
Just kind of filters out and then goes into the pond.
I mean,
we're just gonna make a light little trail here.
Yeah, I think that's fine,
just
right?
Let it run across it.
Yeah.
If it becomes a problem, we can put in a little pipe.
Yeah.
I will get it diverted so that it runs into the ditch right there.
Oh yeah.
And then more straight across versus 40 feet down it.
Oh. You gotta watch where you stand when other people are working.
I know. When you're watching somebody work, we'd hate for you to get dirty, right?
Exactly.
So maintenance is required.
Isn't that in my contract?
Yep. Look like you've been up, right on top of maintenance. Oil changes every 3,500 miles.
I figured it was helping slow down the water.
That's what the rock's for.
That's the rumor.
It's slowing it down enough where it's damming it up and causing it to run around the rock.
Oh, so that's a problem. Thanks.
I fixed it.
No charge?
No charge. It'll be included on something else.
Don't worry.
Hidden fees. I completely missed it.
Were you trying to splash me?
Yeah, kinda.
You're not good at this rock throwing thing, huh?
No.
You need an excavator to toss the rock.
Excavator to toss it, and then I could put it right there where it needs to go.
Did you see the video of the guy rescuing the dog, the puppy?
Scooped it up with it.
Yeah, and then he just kind of all of a sudden just pulled it and then just dumped it. I was like, Chris would have been a lot better than that.
He got so excited, he's just like, let's dump the dog out of the bucket.
The duck mafia.
Duckies are happy.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen them in this pond?
Nah.
You've never seen them?
Isn't that funny?
Isn't that weird? They like their own little pond?
Yeah. What's up?
Probably afraid they're going to get ate by a snapping turtle in there.
What? What is it with you and the animals? You come around and all the animals come flocking.
They follow me.
You're like the Pied Piper.
They got good taste. They said you created our habitat. We like you.
Huh. Like Dr. Doolittle, you're...
We just need it to rain about 5 more inches. Look at all this flow. You need to show them this.
Oh, yeah.
There's plenty of water flowing. It's just, it has to fill up another pond that was empty.
Yeah.
It has to fill up this pond that was empty. And then it flows into this one.
I mean...
But the bad thing about it was, when I come out here and looked at this at day 1,
yeah,
that pond was full, this pond was full, and it was flowing that much through here. I was like, well, heck.
We're like, yeah, it's going to be great.
It's going to be great.
Of course, the Mississippi is kind of dry right now, so I mean...
And it also hasn't rained for about 20 times since I built that pond. Measurable rains.
Oh, I know why they're over here now. They're complaining to you about why is their pond down so low. That's what it is. though, because it'll be halfway up the rocks. Yeah, there's the bank. Building on up, building on up. Yeah, that rain brought us a lot of water. So it looks a lot better. What do you think? All right. So, even though this is great, we still need over 4 feet of water, which is pretty crazy because I mean it's probably about 5 feet deep over there now. But what did we figure, dog? It holds about 8 million gallons, something like that. Island's an island. You can see how much more we still got to come up though, because it'll be halfway up the rocks. And there's the bank. So even over here where I'm standing, it'll be 4 feet deep. And it still has to get watered at this point. But it's come a long way. I mean, a lot came in with that rain we got yesterday, so that's good. Everything was flowing. You'll see some of it in Chris's video. He stopped by, and I did a little bit. And yeah, I mean, everything's feeding in here like we thought it would. Just needs even more rain. I know Chris doesn't want more rain. He's trying to get done at that job, and it's super muddy over there. The lake company's bringing more minnows out, and because they're getting ready to shut their tanks down for the year, so we made a deal. So we're gonna put some more minnows in, and I've got minnow feed. Some people would ask about that. You know, we've been tossing that in daily. Just get a little bit of bait fish established, and yeah, we'll keep getting rain like we got yesterday, and yeah, we'll get where we need to be sooner than later. So cool. So water's still running in, of course not like it was yesterday. You know, we're getting a little bit, and we will take it. Every little bit helps. So I'd say another rain like we got yesterday, and that'll probably get about covered up. Let's go see what's going on with the solar pump. All right, there's where the solar array, that's the solar mount. My last video showed it at night, so you couldn't really see it that great. So that points south. We'll put the panels on it. Like I said, this will hold up to 16. We've got 10. So we'll put 10 panels on it, and then we'll mount the controller. And then we've got a trench over to the well. We'll bury, but like I said, that'll be a shallowish trench. We'll dig that ourselves. All right, so Dog does not like the drone. So any of those that haven't heard Dog bark before, now you can. So watch this. Huh. All right, you can get me. Get it. Oh. Too slow. What you working on, Jane?
Well, Christmas tree.
Fixing a Christmas tree stand.